But I do now. All I ask is that you give me the opportunity to come into your life and take good care of you.
But you know, I'm already engaged to you now. And he happens to be your best friend. What happens to him?
Unknown caller.
Hello? Yes. Eze Ngwo-Ngwo Jakarta speaking. What?
I hope there's no problem. Look, can you talk to me, please?
Hi.
Please talk to me. Are you okay?
The secretary of the Igbo community in Indonesia.
Smart, you're the best.
Okay.
He said he can now be executed today.
Oh!
Oh, no. Oh. Okay.
Who dropped you off with that expensive car?
Eze Ngwo-Ngwo's escort.
Eze Ngwo-Ngwo is a friend to your husband. A lot has changed in you. You now wear expensive clothes, shoes. You should be careful, my daughter. Because any man that can go as far as buying you these expensive things is actually looking for something under your legs. And I'm very sure you're not ready for it. Because he's the best friend of your husband. Oh,
Mama, I am no longer engaged to him. Yes, I am not. Even though he has paid my bride price. Mama, I have every right to do what other young ladies do. I want you to know that I am a lawyer, Mama. I'm no longer a child. I've gone through the 4 walls of the university. I am enlightened. I know what I'm doing. All I want you to do is to calm down with me and you understand. I have everything under control. I know what I'm doing.
Anywhere you go, na better. Everybody they call him Papa.
Kosi, who gave you all this money you are hiding? Eh?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Have you forgotten that you're engaged to someone?
Papa, I am no longer engaged. I'm not.
Huh? The last time I checked, you were engaged to Ikenna, the son of Chifumba. He came 5 years ago and paid a bride price. And by the tradition of our people, you were married to him.
The last time I also checked, Papa, I am not engaged. Papa, please. I have every right to live my life the way I want. You better return the bride price they paid on my head. Because I am no longer interested in the marriage. I am not.
I know who is behind all this.
Who could that be?
Eze Ngwo-Ngwo, of course. Because I saw one of his cars drop her off yesterday. And he has been the one showering her with gifts and money.
I don't think it's Eze Ngwo-Ngwo. Eze Ngwo-Ngwo is Ikenna's best friend. And that I know. But then I think something is wrong somewhere. You have to talk to your daughter.
Papa, there is nothing to talk about. There is nothing absolutely to talk about. All these years I've been waiting for Ikenna are wasted years. Ikenna is in prison. Before he got into prison, he was married to a white woman. That is why he never called to check up on me or call me.
You mean Ikenna has been married to a white woman and he's now in prison?
Yes. And I have been waiting for him here all these years, Mama. 5 solid years. He never cared. Mama, I feel used. A learned woman like me being deceived by a man who claimed to love me. Please, I don't ever want to talk about Ikenna again. I don't want to have anything whatsoever to do with him. I want to live my life right now.
Well, I'm your father. And you're my daughter. I have to advise you. Cross-check your facts before you take any decision.
Yes, my dear.
Let's go.
But there is nothing to cross-check. Because the person he wines and dines with told me categorically that he's not coming out. He's going to die in that prison. Please, you push allow me to live my life freely. I deserve to be happy. Please. You like it? Yes, I do. Look at even the money. Papa wants me to leave it for a man who doesn't care about me. I will not do that. What is all this? You can't. You want some money, right? Go and fetch water. I'll give you some later. Please. I will give you some. No, you owe me. I owe you.
I'm doing very great. We thank God. I wanted to come see you, but I've been so busy since I came back. Extremely busy.
Yeah, I'm here now. You see, my son, ever since you left for Indonesia with my son, Ikenna, we spoke within a few weeks. And after that, no more. We never spoke again. Never heard from him. And we are worried. So that is why I am here. To know whether things are really moving well with him or not.
Ikenna. Nai, I'll be very honest with you. Things are not moving well with Ikenna. I'm telling you. Ikenna disappointed me. Big time. In fact, as I speak with you now, Ikenna is in prison. I don't even know if he'll come out alive.
Hey, Ikenna in prison. Hey, he's my first son and the only child of the mother. Hey,